Let's just get back to these markets. Jeff Sica joins me now. You know what, Jeff? There's no particular news that you can point to today. Certainly the volume is extremely light, which can exaggerate these things. But, you know, a lot of profit taking, I guess. Is that the story?
Yeah, Ashley, there's a lot of profit taking, but keep in mind there's crucial stocks. There's NVIDIA, there's Microsoft, and when you're starting to see not only profit taking from them and Tesla, you're starting to have investors question whether they could sustain their valuation. The momentum that we've seen up to this point, coming off the excitement from the election, a lot of that is going to wane when investors begin to realize that there are no quick fixes. We have an economy that is filled with concern. There's the interest rate concern. If you look at the bond market, bond yields are moving up in the longer term bonds. So that means inflation is a concern. So there are no quick fixes. President Trump is by far a better solution for the market, but it's going to take some pain to get to a point that we're in the clear and we could feel confident about the gains we've had in the past.
Wanted to talk about this one in particular, Jeff. Donald Trump is asking the Supreme Court to delay a ban on TikTok. Do you think Trump will outright overturn the ban after, I think, initially supporting it? Well,
yeah. I mean, initially he supported it, but one of the quotes that President Trump had was he has a warm spot in his heart towards TikTok. And you know what? I went on TikTok. It is probably the most addictive thing you could do in this world because they do keep people in. I've spent hours watching cat videos, so that's what TikTok is. But, you know, there's also, on a serious note, Ashley, there's also the free speech versus national security. And I agree 100% with President Trump. He needs to defer this to his administration because I think for free speech advocates like myself, this is a monumental case. And if he allows TikTok, which I think he should, I think we need to get to the bottom of what are the Chinese doing with this data. And if we can't get to the bottom of that, it's going to become problematic.
Got 30 seconds, Jeff. I want to talk about the cryptos. Could Ethereum become the next Bitcoin? What do you say?
Well, I've said before on the show that Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital silver. I think Ethereum, now that a lot of the institutions are bracing Ethereum as the #2 in cryptocurrency, I think we're going to see Ethereum get some momentum because it underperformed. It had a good year last year, but compared to Bitcoin, it underperformed drastically. So we're gonna have a good year for Ethereum.
Very good. Jeff, you got so much in a short amount of time. We always appreciate you on the show. Thank you so much.